Right, so although there has been a mini heat wave in Scotland of late, it's been like this for Friday. Thursday or Friday it's been raining. I think Thursday, maybe afternoon actually. So it's now Monday, it's no stopped really. They do charge us for water, for businesses anyway, in Scotland. Now I've had people out here and look at the tap in here, which is seized. Right, that is seized in there. It is a very old stopcock. Building was built, I believe, either late 50s, early 60s, something like that, so it is all old, right? But the people have come out and done site assessments and stuff like that. You see, I've put a pipe cover over there to try and keep some heat in it in the winter. Very cold. I have had some burst pipes before. And there's a tap underneath there. Right, now there's a load of kind of rust crap underneath there, or something. I'm not sure what that is. It could have been rodent activity, gnawing away at something. Not sure, but we need to sort that out. So that's what we've got. We've got that toilet, this tap here. These two don't work, right? They're all seized up, right? Well, that one works, but nothing comes out. Does it? No, nothing comes out. So they're not connected to nothing. So it's this one here, which you can see, right? And then the one out here. And as you can see, we're car repair. We don't car wash, other than my own vehicle, which I do at home. I don't even have a pressure washer here. I don't have any of the stuff here. So car washers didn't help, right? But we've got ridiculous spills. So, like I said, I've had people out here before. They've had a little look at the tap. It's seized. We've then had the water board out. They've been out and they freed off the tap outside. The Toby they called it. And they said it was tight, but they managed to get it. So we then had the plumbers back again. They tried. They couldn't get it off, unfortunately. So, then again, the water board was back out. And they said, yeah, look, we understand why the plumber doesn't want to touch it because it is tight and they're afraid that they may break it. However, what to do is just call us back when the plumbers are here and we'll come right out and we'll help them, we'll assist them. However, it's been a lot of dancing back and forward. We seem to be on a revolving merry-go-round which just never stops. It's been going on for a long, long time. So, here we are. So, I had a wee look on YouTube, as you do. Now I did a lot of videos on YouTube, and I seen a very distinguished gentleman, we'll call him, and he said, I'm a plumber from the 60s, and he said this is a 1960s stopcock valve or whatever, and I'm going to show you how to get it off. So he did, he managed to get it off. What he did was he backed this little nut off here, like that. See it? It's turned the water off. I believe so anyway. Let's just have a little try at it. Now I've been working that. Don't think that was just magic, right? Don't think all these plumbers come in and stuff. So we'll see if that goes off. Maybe not off yet. Maybe need to. Oh, is it off? So I'll turn that down. What we'll do now is we'll work that heat tap until we get this thing back. So, the tap doesn't actually go that much. So don't worry about that, it's just enough for lightning strikes, which we may have to do. There's the water off. Right. So at the moment, should be water off to this building, which it is, right? So off, on, off, on. Okay, I don't know how many plumbers have had a look at that, and I've honest to God, guys, watched a couple of distinguished gentlemen, we'll call them, right? And that's it working properly now, for life probably. You can hear that, eh? Right, so off. Right, so that is off. So I'm going to leave it off until they come in tomorrow, just in case anything crazy happens. But I don't think so. But now I know I can get it on now. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. There's a how to turn off your very, very old stopcock on your very old building. But I'm not a plumber. I'm a mechanic. I should not need to be doing this. So hit that like, hit that subscribe, man. Have yourself a great bank holiday weekend, okay?